real good.
Ain't nobody stopping me.
Oh, that'll take your breath away.
0, 1, 2, 3. Let's get started.
Oh, that's real good.
Why they stopping me?
Do you know why?
Maybe because it's an emergency, so if it feels smoke, then it might go.
0, 1, 2, 3. Let's get started.
Oh, that's real good.
Why they stopping me? Ain't nobody why they stopping me?
Yep. You ready? We're not going fast. Sit up here in front of me. You're okay. Listen, Dad has a little different when you're up front. Let's try this view.
0, 1. Let's get started. Let's get started.
Why they stopping me?
Oh shit. Alright, hey, I'll go up there and get them real quick. Just hop on the jet ski real quick. They just called it on the radio, so they'll try bring one out. So, give them a minute, no. Hey, but was it fun? Hey, almost don't count. You have fun. They'll be out, I'm sure. Hold on.
0, 1, 2, 3. Let's get started.
Why they stopping me?
Thank you.
dolphin video.
Love it. You got a lot of my face on it, right? All right, now just look at each other. Look up at Dad. There you go. That's good. Yep. All right, you can hop up. Each other. That's good. All right, kids, take a break over there. I'm just gonna work with Mom and Dad. Arms around each other. Get a little water there. That's good. Yeah, touch your foreheads together. One more time. Can you rotate this way, other way, other way? Just like that, right there.
Get the sunset between us.
Just try and see. I couldn't see her face for a second. Beautiful, guys. And just hold hands and just walk down that way for me. Look at each other. Perfect, guys. Almost. All right, I'll slide up this way. All right, look at the camera now. Oh, no. Just a little fun, something else, you know.
Be right.